This one YouTube video will make your coaching, consulting, or info business over $100,000. And I know this because it's generated multiple of our clients over 6 figures. And if you are a business owner, you need to make this video today because it is an absolute trust building machine that turns complete strangers into qualified, ready to buy prospects, all in the span of 10 to 20 minutes. And in this video, I'm gonna break down what it is, how it works, and how you can make it in order to make over 6 figures from your next YouTube video. Because after generating over $10 million in sales on YouTube, this video works, it converts, and it will make you a ton of money. So let's dive in. So this video is one of the most powerful videos you can make. It's been a huge conversion asset for Iman Gaji because he's literally filmed his entire life since he was 17. Fortunately, you don't need to do that. You can make a video like this and basically just outline your transformation. So how is this video actually structured, right? How do we make this video in a way that actually gets a ton of book calls and a ton of high ticket clients? This is a video that's going to be structured as an actual story, just like a movie is, just like a television show is, and just like any of your favorite books are structured. The framework is called the 3-act story structure, and literally everyone uses it. Mr. Beast uses it in his videos, Hollywood uses it, literally everybody uses it. However, entrepreneurs don't really use it, and typically that's because they make educational content. But we can use this framework that we know for a fact because it's been proven over millions and millions of content assets that it grabs people's attention, builds trust, and makes them stick around because they're interested in what you have to say. So how this is structured is there's 3 acts. You have Act 1, Act 2, Act 3. Act 1 is where the story starts. You start in the exposition. So let's say that your story video is how I went from $0 to $1 million with high ticket coaching. In the exposition, that would pretty much be your intro. That would be the intro to the video. You could be like, hey, this is what I've done. This is who I am. I'm going to break down my entire story. And that is the exposition. Very, very simple. And then you go up into the inciting incident. Now, this is where you actually start to tell your story. So your inciting incident is essentially what got you started on that journey. That could be if you're doing 0 to $1 million with high ticket coaching, that could be how you found out about high ticket coaching. Or maybe you realized that you could make money doing something that you love. Like one of our clients, for example, who does over 100K a month from YouTube, he found out about high ticket coaching because he was doing the business model himself and he learned how to actually do it. But then he realized that he could teach others, right? He had that epiphany moment. He was like, wow, I can help others doing this, right? So that would be the inciting incident in that example. Then it would go into plot point 1. And this is normally where the story starts. So let's say you're going from 0 to $1 million with high ticket coaching. You run your first Facebook ad here. You post your first YouTube video here. Whatever that may be, that would be plot point 1. And then you go into the rising action where things actually start to build up. Let's say in the story of going from 0 to $1 million, that's where you're starting to make money. You figured out how to crack leads. You've ran Facebook ads. You're making good money. You're making 10K a month. And then you go to the midpoint where you've made your first $100,000. And it's that really big outcome. You're like, wow, I made 100 grand online. But it wasn't enough. You start to go down now. So in this Act 2, after the midpoint, when we go into plot point 2, we want to go down into a down section. And everyone has this in their story. I guarantee you, if you don't think you do, you definitely do. You just have to list it out. We'll talk about that in a second. After this midpoint, so you've made $100,000. Then you go into plot point 2. And now what you're going to do is you're going to say like, but I didn't feel fulfilled. I realized that money didn't buy happiness. Or I realized that 100K is not a lot of money. I still couldn't retire my mom. I was frustrated and my business even started to decline. I went down to 6, 7K a month, whatever that may be. So that's plot point 2. But then I discovered this one thing that turned it all around. And then you go into the pre-climax. Boom. I'm booking sales call, sales call, sales call. I'm closing client after client. We're getting to 30K a month, 50K a month, 100K a month. And that entire time that you're on that pre-climax, you're just building until you reach the climax where you've hit the $1 million coaching. Boom. The outcome has been achieved. Everything is right with the world. You are a millionaire and the audience feels great. They feel inspired. They trust you because they've seen your ups and downs. Then you go into the denouncement, which is basically just ending the video and saying, hey, this is exactly what I did. And you could do a call to action here, something like that, or just end the video, send them to a VSL after the fact. That is the overall 3-act structure. But how does this actually look tangibly? So for the intro, it's structured into 4 lines. So with that line 1, it's going to be a transformation. Let's keep using that 0 to $1 million high ticket coaching. Transformation. I went from 0 to $1 million high ticket coaching. Then we're going to go into line 2, what the viewer actually gets from watching. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that I followed to go from 0 to $1 million. And I'm going to tell you my entire story about how I did that. Then you're going to go into line 3, which is living the dream outcome. And that's going to be something like, now I'm able to have financial freedom, location freedom, live wherever I want, drive exotic cars, be with the women that I want, right? Whatever the dream outcome is. Then in line 4, you're going to go into the expectation settings. You're going to be like, And I'm about to break this all down. I'm starting from day one, and I'm gonna show you the entire process so you can see exactly how I did it so that you can do the same. And then it goes into the body. In the body, we have 3 acts. This is one of our clients' bullet points for one of his videos where he's doing, I tried wholesaling for 30 days. Here's what I learned, right? So it is a bit of a story video. This is really all act 1 is. He has his inciting incident, how he found out about wholesaling. It starts there. So he's gonna be like, hey, I was just scrolling through Instagram one day and then I found wholesaling. And then first thing he did is he bought a course. Then it was like, okay, and I knew I had to buy a course, learn from other people in order to have success with it. So I found the best course in the market. I bought it and I started studying it. I looked through every single module. I learned how to run ads. I learned how to comp properties. And then it goes into plot point 1, where now he has launched his first Facebook ad campaign. This started on the 6th of January. So he has started this Facebook ad campaign and it's going well. It's going into the rising action, but then he falls into a struggle. So his spend was at $50 per day, but unfortunately he had no leads and bad leads. He didn't know what to do. He was confused and didn't know how to talk to prospects. He also didn't know how to comp properties. So he really had no idea what he was doing. Then on January 9th, he got his first lead and then 2 leads in January 10th, which leads us to the midpoint, where he basically changed the campaign structure from landing pages to lead form and changed it to nationwide. And this allowed him to get as many leads as possible. So he was going for as many leads as possible, which brings us into plot point 2 and the start of act 3, where on January 11th, he got his first property under contract. Quick interruption, we've helped over 50 7-figure entrepreneurs absolutely crush it and generate a ton of leads and income from their YouTube channel. Our clients are currently generating millions a month on YouTube. So if you want better, warmer, higher paying clients that show up to sales calls ready to buy and want to build another source of consistent qualified leads for your business, click the link below, schedule a time with my team, and we'll talk to you soon. Around this midpoint is also where you're going to add in your CTA. And realistically, all you're gonna do is a subtle CTA. How we've seen the CTA work best is simply a DM me on Instagram to connect, or DM me on Instagram if you want help. Or you could also keep it very simple. And when you mention something about your service, what you could say is like, hey, and if you also want me to do this for you too, and get you this transformation that I had, then click the link below. You wanna just keep it very subtle, have a 1-line CTA around this midpoint section, and you will get a ton of people DMing you or clicking on your link. And then what we're gonna do is insert the actual live footage of him closing that deal. So that's gonna be insane, right? It's gonna show that, it's gonna be a huge win, he's gonna be super hyped, and then it goes into the pre-climax, and this is where it starts to build up to that really high climax. So January 12th, spent more and ramped up, $100 per day, more and more leads, following his playbook, $200 per day, 5+ leads per day. 5 days later, got second contract. Then he's gonna go over all of the contracts that he got, which is around 25K. Then he's gonna just drop some lessons before we go into the climax, which is the results. So it's building, 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 and then we drop into that climax where he has 4 good contracts in his first month. 6 days later, he has another 3 under contract and 1 that could potentially net him $100,000 plus. So that is exactly how you would structure this video. You're gonna tell that entire story, try to emphasize the emotion, try to get excited, try to get sad, and you're really gonna tell your entire story to the viewers. There are a couple ways to actually package this video. We wanna make sure that this video actually gets reach and actually targets the right prospects. How do we do that? Well, what we can do is we have 3 types of transformation. So we have a monetary transformation, we have a facial transformation, and then a dream outcome transformation. This monetary transformation simply shows the monetary transformation going from negative $30K to $6 million. So it's a very simple headshot of you, where you were before, where you are now. Now this could be monetary, it could be fat to fit, it could be no handstand to handstand, could be really whatever you'd like. So for Jordan Welch, 2.2 million views on this video, he went from negative $30K to $6 million. His title is very similar. How I went from negative $30K to $6 million. My story. It does not need to be complicated on the packaging. That is type 1. Then type 2, we have the facial transformation. So this is showing you when you were young, naive, didn't know what you're doing, when you were poor, when you were fat, basically just not in the position that you wanted to be. And then you have a tear down the middle, and you have your face on the other side that shows you happy, confident, rich, jacked, in the place that you want to be. And it's so much more powerful. You can add other elements to this as well. Alex did that here. He added $6 an hour to 250 million. So showing a bit of a monetary transformation as well. $1 to a lot of dollars, 20s to 30s. Basically just showing the full transformation, but splitting your face in half. That's a very effective thumbnail. You can also just title your video, how I got 6 wholesale contracts in 30 days as a 16-year-old entrepreneur, which is what one of our clients had. How I made $3 million in 6 months as a 20-year-old female entrepreneur, This video got 2 million views on a brand new channel and made her a ton of money. 3 million at 20 years old. It's literally just her showing $154,000 in a month, $118,000 in a month, all of her bank statements, all of her reports, and 3 million at 20 years old. So she's just showing the dream outcome of the people she wants to watch, right? So you want to think about, what is your prospect's dream outcome? And then you want to show that as best you can in the thumbnail. That is the secret here. Or you want to show the transformation from where your prospects are now on $6 an hour to where they want to be at $250 million. Then we move on to production. This is really interesting. We basically have 3 levels of production that we can do this video at. The first will probably get the most views, but it'll also take more effort and it will be more expensive to create. This is a high production version of this video, and I'm going to run through this now. I'll show you this kind of right here.
At 21, I started a company.
Like MVMT has been torches started by 2 young entrepreneurs.
At 27, I sold that company, and it changed my life forever. Call me naive, but I thought money would solve all my problems. Instead, it just created new ones. But first, let me take you back to where it all started. As a kid, I was pretty insecure about most things. If you had asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, I probably would have just said I want to be successful.
Right. So he is literally telling his entire story here, from childhood to movement to lost purpose to panic attacks to finding a purpose, filmmaking struggle. He's following this exact story structure, and it's extremely high produced. You can see throughout the entire thing, he is showing clips from his past. He is showing very, very cinematic B-roll throughout the entire thing. This video took so long to make and probably cost him a lot of money. So this is the way that you will get the most views, just straight up. Not gonna lie to you. This has got 550,000 views in 3 weeks, which is absolutely insane on a brand new channel with 0 subscribers. That's like insane. But the problem with that is it takes a lot of effort, and you are a business owner. You don't have a ton of time to spend 6 months creating a video like this. However, that's where the medium production video comes in, because you get the best of both worlds. We've seen a lot of people just make the raw style of content, which is good, but you're only getting a fraction of the reach. You're only reaching a fraction of the prospects that you could reach by making that raw style video. So this one, this medium production video, is actually the one that I would recommend most people do. And I'm about to show you what it looks like right now. So Jordan Welch did this, and I think he did it phenomenally well. Let's go ahead and take a look.
And this is the story of how I went from a broke kid literally living off of food stamps to making over $6 million from the internet in around 5 years. I grew up with a single mom making less than $20,000 a year, and now I own 2 7-figure businesses. I just sold one of them last year. I moved into my dream house here in Miami. I have the car that I always wanted. I bought my mom a car, I bought my sister a car. I have a multi-6-figure investment portfolio. Basically, I built the life that I always wanted for myself. But my journey has been extremely challenging. I didn't have it easy, and I'm gonna share it all in this video. Even some stuff I've never shared before in my life. This video is not to brag. Ultimately, my goal with this video is to serve as some inspiration for those of y'all who are coming from a difficult situation like the one I came from. So let's get started. Growing up, it was just me, my mom, and my sister.
This video, as you can see, all he's really doing, he has a nice intro on it, but all he's really doing throughout this entire video, it's just a talking head video. It's very simple talking head. And then what he will do is he will actually throw up little animations like this, little screenshots like this, showing what he was talking about, right? He'll throw up little tiny food stamp picture. He'll throw up a lot of old pictures from his past on this video, right? And the reason why he does that is because he wants to show what it was actually like back then. This doesn't require any crazy editing. It doesn't require a lot of effort. All it requires is you filming a sit-down talking head video, uploading some old photos to a Google Drive, giving that to an editor, and letting them do their thing. Very simple video to make, 2.2 million views on the story video, and it probably made him a lot of money. Now, what we can also look at is the raw style, and this is where this contrasts. So William Brown popped off with a story video, and that's why, again, why this video is so powerful. It's one of the best videos you can make as the first video on your channel, but it's also just one of the best videos you can make in general. So let's take a look at it.
Hey guys, it's Will, and just a few hours ago, I can't believe that I'm saying this, by the way, but yeah, just a few hours ago, I sold my business to a private equity firm. We finally, after a long 6, almost 7 months process, the sale finally closed. I got the wire, and
boom. So this entire video is completely raw. He has no edits on it, no pictures whatsoever, right? But he basically tells his entire story of how he went from, just starting out to building a company that he was able to sell to a private equity firm for millions. Now, this video got 106,000 views and it launched William Brown's career. You probably know William Brown, right? Which is why people think that this works better than a more edited one, right? Because 100,000 views is still a lot, especially on a raw video that targets business owners. And it definitely is great. I'm not taking away from this by any means, but if William Brown had simply added some old photos in this video, tiny little bits of animation, it probably would have gotten 500,000 to 1 million views. You can essentially 5 to 10x your reach on this video by just doing some very, very simple edits. And that's where this medium production comes in. So just having a nice studio, nice microphone, having some old photos on there is going to go such a long way for this video. And one more thing to mention, if you are gonna do just a completely raw video, nothing wrong with that. It's completely fine, especially if you just wanna get the video out, just wanna get it live and just wanna lower the friction, completely okay. It'll still do very well. What you can do is just make sure you have like a nice background like William. He's talking to people who are interested in selling a private equity firm for millions, right? So he instantly confirms that by wearing a Rolex, by being in Dubai, on the Palm, being in this high rise, right? He instantly confirms that click and he confirms the vibe that he is successful and he has done the thing that he's talking about. From there, one more thing that you should do is simply adding this video for new people on your homepage. There's a setting on YouTube that you can set where you can set the trailer for someone who's new to your channel, who hasn't subscribed. And then you can set the channel trailer for someone who is a subscriber. For people who haven't subscribed, it makes the most sense to set this video as the first video they watch so they can start that trust building process with you. However, for people who are already subscribed, it makes more sense to add a VSL video on there so that they can get converted, right? Because they already know you. So that's how I would set that up to make the most money. And I can guarantee you, if you make this video and execute it well, you will make really, really good money and you'll get so many more warmer leads showing up to your calls that are ready to buy. And if you want more people to buy from you, there's something that I've started doing recently that's getting me 3 to 5 sales calls per day from YouTube. So watch this video next where I show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to absolutely blow up your business on YouTube.